Ke hopola ke skemiwa ke ntate mo ba re ke ntate Maepa o tlhaga Klipgat ne. So story say I'm just putting it out there for awareness. It's not to shame or what ne or any or go senya lina la motho. But I need to share it because you know what, these men ba ileng gore ba dila ka di project tsa ka mo dintlong ho thusa batho ba bomme ba ileng gore they don't have backup plan like abana batho ba bontate ba ileng gore they'll take over, you know, to instruct and check if the work has been done properly. They sometimes tend to take advantage of women, right? I'm saying this because it happened to me. Now it's 2020, it's what's end of 2024, and I want to start a project ya go lokela dipatla ko ntlong. So because I have friends and I know people, I'm calling people to find out if they can recommend somebody they know who's good with this. Fine. A friend of mine I recommended Ntate Maepa go Klipgat. This guy comes at the measurement. He gives me the quotation. I paid the quotation. After that, mereko top notch. He's good with steel. He's good with the butler doors and windows. He's good, right? And then I'm asking him, wait again, I need to start another project. Ke batla go ntsha my old tiles ke lokeletse dintšha, but wena because o motho berekang ka matsogo and you know people, is there anyone that you know o kan referelang ko yena na? The guy is like, no, look no further. I am here ke tlo thusa nna. I am master of everything. Ke dila ka plumbing, ke dila ka. So he's telling me, no, I deal with a lot of things, right? Ke dila ka plumbing, bona, ke carpenter, ke tse ditso gore wa di name ditso tsotlhe tse arai man, there's no need for you gore o batle batho ba bantšintši mo ntlong ba tlo bereka. So being a woman, I'm thinking, you know what, I also don't want different people in my house. If this guy can do it, why not, right? Sharp. He comes, he takes measurements, he quotes me. He sent me the quotation from the supplier material because now I don't have time, like I'm busy, and I'm no, don't worry. Oh wait, prior to that I went with a quotation ke lo kry-a the price tsa material, and I sent him the quote, or no, this is the price and everything, delivery fee included. When can we start? And he's like, no, wait, I know a place somewhere in Klipgat where they supply the same material but at a lower price. So, you know, I'm like, okay, why not? And he's like, you know what, we'll summer charge you deliver, Rona will go fetch the material, we'll do everything when I just pay. I'm like, sharp. I get a quotation, I'm sending a quotation. I'm like, yo, it's even cheaper than the initial one that I got. Go ahead. Ke mo romella tšhelete ya material into his account, o reka material the project by start. Yo, ntatola azanga antsinyetsa di tile. He made me buy 40 boxes. Study tile, it's a 600 by 600, right? Lady cement and whatever the case may be. I bought everything. That guy doesn't know how to put tiles. Ntatola ga itse go lokela dit. We have a cut and paste. You know, look, now I'm not a professional. I don't know hore di tile di bereka jwang and so forth, right? When I got home, I remember that day, he said to me, no, KG, tsamaya ye kerekeng, when you come back, o tlo kry-a dilo di le sharpo, but not gore re tle be re feditse, but tle be re startile. Hey Nina, wa itse ba re cut and paste. Ke tlo le sharela picture ya tsa. Yo, Ntate Maepa wa go Klipgat has shown me flame. Cut and paste. Ke mmotse ke fitla go ntlong ke ra ena a ke itse lokela detail ne mara amo this is not right. He's telling me, no, we're not jahile, don't worry, this thing is because tshantse re tshele ground and then it lo homa, after that it lo ba sharp ka rawa the line studies these tiles thing are these straight, they are not. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. So I'm like, okay, sharp. Hey, if you say so, keep a patient. Maybe now I'm just panicking for no reason. I don't know how these things work. I call a friend of mine. I'm like, hey, dude, I want that person to come here and I to check right? I don't care, I'm coming. If you like a snippet, like a picture of my moody tiling, this thing, tell me, do you think this is right, Tina? He's like, what kg? What the hell? Who is that person? And then I send a mutu atla to check us, na checker. That guy when he before he will at to check out the whole house. He's like, yo mutu nakata number one so this Tyler what's the first thing that he said, the mapping is just wrong. The tile it's a design, so this design has to go a certain way. It connected. Number one. Number two, this person kata the tile can machine or kata the tile. That is why this is straight. Oh mess up it. Guys, I'm calling Tate Maepa. I'm like, Tate Maepa, what have you done? I have somebody here, Muntlung. Oh, what confirm Barantoki Bonang. And Tate Maepa is like, yeah, you threatening me, you calling me with people, baksa ba itsing ba banyakang hore ba senya bophelo ba ka, batho ba ileng hore ba nthreatena, batho ba ileng hore they want to ba nyoko nkgobatsa. Ke re ke mang a itseng o nyoko nkgobatsa? Who said what? Because we want you to come here and to explain hore pila ntho e o irileng e ke yona na. Ke tlo ra part 2.